Let's walk through how to register and sign up step by step for the Train Your Brain Trading 45-day challenge. The first thing you want to do is click on one of the red boxes and expand it as you see here. Notice that it says enter your first name. Please don't enter your last name. As you notice in the graphic here, I've entered my first name and my last name and my email address. Again, please do not enter your last name. It'll mess up the system. We've purposefully put it in the graphics here to help us to remember to remind you not to put your last name into that window. After you enter your first name, your email address, click Get Instant Access. It will take you to a page like this. It'll verify your email address and your name. Again, as you can see, there's the first and last name in the name field. Please do not put your last name in there. Then there's a code, and usually there's going to be two of them. You need to type them exactly as you see here. The capital letters must be capital, lowercase must be lowercase, and there must be a space between both of those. As you can see in this example, the first one is Cami, and the second is Cardus. You have to type them exactly as you see there. Then where you see the orange arrow, you need to click Subscribe Now. Once in a while, you have to click that button a couple of times in order for it to register and move you to the next screen. After clicking that subscribe button, you should come to this screen. On this thank you screen, there are some instructions, and there's a video that will start to automatically play just below the text. That video will contain some of the same information you're watching in this video as reminders. After you've seen this page properly come up on your web browser, go to your email account. This is an example of a demo email account using Outlook. Most of the time, our first email goes to your junk or spam folder, as you can see noted by the orange arrow. On this graphic, you can also see several days of the training program that have been sent to this demo account. Upon first registering, you will not have all of these days sent to you. Remember, every day an email is sent to you with a link for that day's training material. So we continue to stress the importance, do not delete these emails. What we have to do at this point is make sure the emails continue to come to you but not as junk. So on this graphic, we've clicked the junk email box. Then we see the email here on the right hand side, and we need to click It's Not Spam. Once we've done that, notice how there are no more emails in the junk mail, and the inbox has one more email in it. All future emails from us should now go to your regular inbox. If you see that one is missing, always check your junk mail. Now go back to your inbox, and you're going to see the email that was sent to you. Trading Strategy 1, Day 1. And you're going to notice that there's a couple of links in this email. The first thing that you have to do with this first email is copy and paste the link with the orange arrow into your web browser. Once you have done that, you will come to this page. This is the top section of this web page. Scroll down and you will see this section. This is the portion of the page where you enter your information to create your account on the Train Your Brain Trading website. As you begin to fill out the information here and you enter your username, notice the orange box on the left around the green information. The system will tell you whether or not that username is available. Also, in the email field, please use the exact same email where you received the email to come to this page. This is where you put your first name and your last name. Again, remember, this is where you enter both your first name and your last name. After you have all the fields filled out, please click the register button. That will then take you to a page that looks very similar to what you see here. Now we need to go back to our email account. As mentioned earlier, there are two email links in that first email that is sent to you. The first one, as we just did, helps create your user account on the website. This second email is the trading lesson for the first day. copy and paste this link into your web browser, and you will be able to see the first trading lesson for the first day. Remember, if you go to that web page with this link and you're not logged into the site, it will show the content as secure and locked. All you have to do is log into the website first, then go to this page, and all the content will be available for you. If you're already logged into the website and you've copied and pasted the link from the emails that come to you every day, you will see your trading lesson as you see here. Now we need to go back to your email account again. Notice that there will be another junk email. This is not the same email. This came from when you registered for your user account on the website. And we just have to go through that same process again. We need to click on that email, and we need to click on, as you can see with the orange square, it's not spam. This email in particular contains your registration details, your username, and your password. It also contains a link to the login page, where you would enter your username and password. So after you've clicked, this isn't spam, using whatever tool your email client has to mark an email as not spam, you'll notice again in your inbox, the number of emails has gone from 29 to 30. Now, all emails coming from us should go to your inbox. And as you can see here, day by day by day by day, every trading lesson will be emailed to you. Again, a reminder, please do not delete these emails because you need the links to go back and refer to. The links contained in these lessons are not in a public list. Another point to notice is the orange square. You can notice the day and the time that this email arrived. Every new email will usually arrive within 23 to 25 hours. So as you can see here, day 2's lesson arrived at 10:32 a.m. Day 3's lesson arrived at the same time. That may or may not happen. Just keep in mind that one day later, the next day's lesson will appear. So that's it, step by step. If you have any issues or any questions, please feel free to contact us. Especially if no emails arrive to you, we need to know that. In particular, we need to know which email client you're using. Sometimes there's issues with Hotmail. The accounts that we know that usually have no issues whatsoever are Gmail accounts. Usually nothing even goes to spam because the provider that we're using has an agreement with Gmail. With Outlook, you can see that doesn't exist. And that's why we used Outlook, because the process with Yahoo and MSN and other email providers is pretty much the same. So we hope this video helps you get registered and up and going. And again, please email us if you have any issues or any questions. Thanks for being with me in this video.